Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Windows AutoPlay for USB devices, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Windows AutoPlay for USB devices, start by connecting your USB drive to your computer. Wait for your computer to recognize the device. Click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel in the search bar and hit Enter. Once the control panel opens, look for Hardware and Sound and click on it. Next, find the AutoPlay option and click on it. In the AutoPlay settings window, you will see different options for various devices. Locate the drop-down menu next to your USB device. Select the desired action for your USB device from the list. Options may include open folder to view files, import photos and videos, or take no action. Once you have made your selection, click the Save button at the bottom right corner. To test if AutoPlay works, safely remove your USB and reconnect it. Once reconnected, watch for the AutoPlay prompt to appear. If the prompt appears, your settings are correctly configured. If it does not appear, double-check your AutoPlay settings in the control panel. You may also check if the AutoPlay feature is enabled in Windows settings. To do that, click the Start menu and type Settings. In the Settings window, click on Devices. Next, select AutoPlay from the list on the left side. Ensure that the toggle switch for AutoPlay is turned on. With these steps, you have successfully activated Windows AutoPlay for USB devices. Now you can easily access your files and media with just a click when you connect your USB drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.